In this video, I will explain how you can earn $100 in 60 minutes or $1,000 in 6 days, 30 minutes each day. And the best part is that anyone can do this. To get started, visit userinterviews.com, a platform that connects individuals with research studies requiring participant feedback. Here, you have the opportunity to engage in focus groups and get paid immediately for your valuable opinions. Now, let's outline the steps involved. First, create a profile on the website. Next, apply to various studies that appeal to you. Upon approval, simply join the sessions and provide your feedback to earn your payment. To give you an idea of your potential earnings, participating in online tests or surveys that last approximately 10 minutes can reward you with around $60. Here is just two offers that makes you $800 for 120 minutes, or $1,000 in 6 days. You will find better offers and deals soon. For example, if they are longer than 1 day. If you are interested in discovering further opportunities to maximize your earnings, don't forget to follow my account for more insights. But make sure to turn on notifications because I am about to show you a lot of awesome stuff, how to make money online, how to get YouTube Premium for free, and much more. Just tell me below in the comments section what you want to know.